Hello and welcome to how to use snapping tools in UE4. When building your levels in UE4, you want to make sure you're using snap tools to make sure things are correctly aligned. This is especially important when using modular level design. However, snap tools can also be used for landscapes such as this. So you may be familiar already with the snap tools in the top right hand corner of your viewport. You've got move snap, angle snap and scale snap. By dragging an object into your world, you can use the snap tools here, snap it along the grid based on these numbers here. Hitting the little orange icon will toggle these off and on, so you can turn snap off and on freely as you wish. Now you may also want to use it to snap things to the ground. So to do that, you push the end key on your keyboard and it will align things perfectly to the ground. This works great for building environments. However, when building landscapes such as this, there are even better tools. For example, you can click on this little icon up here and turn on surface snapping. This will allow you to move your object around your environment and it will snap and angle itself based on the normal of the level. And this also works for objects as well. So for example, if I put my little chair on top of this hill here, I put a table on there too, put another chair on, like so, and I'm going to put an object on top of the table and it will see it snaps perfectly to the table's mesh. This is great for placing things like lights and fixtures and fittings onto the walls of your buildings as well. So there you go. You can use snapping tools to help place objects in your environment a lot quicker and a lot easier. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my how-tos, head over to patreon.com/RyanDaily where you can watch all my videos from just $1 a month, well before anyone else. Thank you to all my patrons and YouTube members for their continued support. If you haven't yet already, subscribe to this channel for more content released every single week. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.